Bihar Assembly has now erupted for the third day in a row, and at the center of it all is the Election Commission's massive voter roll cleanup drive. Tempers have flared as Tejasvi Yadav took on the Election Commission, accusing it of branding voters as Bangladeshis and demanded a full debate on the ongoing revision exercise. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has hit back, calling him a bacha who knows nothing of Bihar's past, triggering an uproar and an adjournment in the Assembly. Let's listen in.
चुनाव आयोग का काम है निष्पक्ष चुनाव कराना। कहीं कोई कानून में अगर लिखा हो कि नागरिकता की बात है, यहाँ दो उप मुख्यमंत्री बैठे, दोनों उप मुख्यमंत्री सूत्र के हवाले से बयानबाजी शुरू कर दिए कि बांग्लादेशी आ गया, नेपाली आ गया, म्यांमार का आ गया।
अरे काहे के लिए बोल रहे हो? जब उम्र तुम्हारा कम था, तुम्हारे पिताजी 7 साल मंत्री थे। भाई जानते हो बच्चा न हो, अरे तुम तो बहुत बच्चे न थे। अब जानते हो पटना शहर में भी शाम में कोई निकलता था, कोई शाम में घर से बाहर जाता था, कहीं जाने का रास्ता है। ये जितने पत्रकार हैं, इन लोगों को भी हम कहेंगे कि पहले क्या बुरा हाल था।
आप बैठिए, बैठिए। वीरेंद्र जी, चुनाव में रहिए आप।
Outside the House, opposition MLA staged black band protests alleging manhandling by the security. This flashpoint ahead of Bihar elections does resonate across the country. Election Commission Special Intensive Revision, a sweeping pre-poll exercise, aims at cleaning up the voter rolls. Election Commission has officially explained the survey results in Bihar. As of July 23rd, the Election Commission says over 98% of electors have been covered. 20 lakh voters were found deceased. 28 lakh had migrated. 7 lakh had multiple entries and 1 lakh were untraceable. 15 lakh forms were still pending return. That's what they say. The Commission insists that this is routine with no political bias and necessary to ensure free and fair elections. The cleanup may be a routine, but with even allies now raising red flags, the Election Commission has a trust deficit to bridge. In fact, a few allies within the Nitish BJP alliance, the NDA alliance there, some of the leaders within their own party have raised questions on immigrant workers who probably are away from their home, are not in their address. They will be cut off from the voters list if they were not there present in the last few weeks while the survey was on.